CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2. Explain wireless networking technologies. NFC. Near-Field Communication, or NFC, is a wireless networking interface standard that was released in 2003. It is an innovative technology that uses radio frequencies to allow two devices to share data when they are in close proximity to each other, typically over a short distance of a few centimeters. This technology operates at a frequency of 13.56 MHz and offers data transfer speeds up to 424 kilobits per second. While these speeds might seem slow compared to other wireless technologies like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, they are perfectly suited for the types of data NFC is designed to handle, such as exchanging digital access keys or processing mobile payments. One application of NFC is in building security systems. In these systems, an NFC-enabled device, like a smartphone or a security badge, is tapped against a reader to gain entry. This method is increasingly popular in modern offices and hotels due to its enhanced security and convenience. NFC's short-range capabilities makes it a more secure option compared to traditional magnetic stripe cards, as it is harder to intercept or duplicate the signal. NFC has also become a cornerstone in the world of mobile payments, transforming how we conduct transactions in our daily lives. Services such as Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Samsung Pay utilize NFC to facilitate contactless payments, providing a seamless and efficient user experience. This technology enables users to complete purchases with a simple tap of their NFC-enabled phone or smartwatch against the payment terminal. Moreover, the role of NFC in mobile payments is bolstered by its underlying technology. It provides a one-to-one connection with bidirectional communication, meaning that two devices can send and receive data to and from each other. This two-way communication capability is essential in transactions, allowing for not just the transfer of payment information, but also the confirmation of transaction details and receipts. Additionally, NFC incorporates built-in security protocols, which are critical in safeguarding sensitive information like credit card numbers and personal identification data. These protocols often include encryption and secure channels, ensuring that the data transmitted during a transaction is protected against potential threats. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.